Hello, my name is Cindy Abear. I'm a DNP student at Jacksonville State University. I actually got my undergrad at Jacksonville State University in May 2018. I graduated with my nursing degree, and upon graduating, I went to work at a doctor's office for a year. I didn't really like the vibe of that. I like being more hands-on and actually getting to work with patients. So I went to Greenwood Medical Center, which is where I've been ever since. I started working in the neurointensive care unit July of 2019, and I have loved Greenview ever since. It is a great place to work, and I love my experience there. I worked in the neurointensive care unit for a year. The patient population is difficult just due to the fact that a lot of the patients do not get better, and that was really hard on me. So after a year, I moved to the cardiac intensive care unit, and I've been there ever since. And I love my job. It's very rewarding. I do love to see patients get better and go home. That is one of the most rewarding things, is to take care of somebody from start to finish and get to actually see them get better and get to go home with their family. So it's been very rewarding in the cardiac intensive care unit. I love the people I work with, and I love the doctors and nurse practitioners that round on these patients. Everyone is just really nice and knowledgeable. My plan for preceptorship, I plan to work with one of the hospitalists at Greenview Medical Center. There's so many great hospitalists that work, and I just want to start with him and then progress, possibly go off and do specialties after that, but at first I do want to work with the hospitalist group. My ultimate goal in becoming a nurse practitioner, I would like to work with the cardiovascular group that is at Grandview, ACG. There are amazing doctors that work in that group, and I would just love to be able to work with them and just feed off of their knowledge. So that is my plan. I'm very excited to start clinicals and to progress in this program. Thank you so much.